Mean time to repair, or MTTR, is the average time needed to fix a machine and get it back up and running. It's a vital sign of your maintenance team's speed and efficiency. For instance, if a machine is down for 10 hours across 5 repairs in a month, your MTTR is 2 hours. To calculate MTTR, divide the total downtime by the number of repair incidents. This simple formula can reveal much about your maintenance operations, helping you spot inefficiencies and improve response times.
Mean time before between failure, or MTBF, gauges the average time between one and the next.
It's a predictor of equipment reliability. A machine that operates for 1,000 hours with 5 failures has an MTBF of 200 hours. You calculate MTBF by dividing the total operational time by the number of failures. This metric assists in planning maintenance and predicting future equipment performance, aiming to extend the time between failures. Tracking MTTR and MTBF can transform your manufacturing process. By reducing downtime and enhancing equipment reliability, you can save on costs and boost efficiency. These metrics guide you in fine-tuning maintenance strategies and scheduling preventive care. Embracing Industry 4.0 technologies like IoT and AI can revolutionize how you track MTTR and MTBF. Real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance mean you're always ahead of the game, ensuring your machinery is reliable and your maintenance swift. Contact us to strategize inventory management for your essential parts and keep your operations seamless.